Hello my friends, welcome back. Today we're taking a look at this pet water fountain by HEYISME. Let's open this up, show you guys everything you get in the kit here. Okay, pop this open. Here you got your little pump, your filters here, so this keeps the water fresh. You get all your manual and all that fun stuff in here. Your adapter, so it is USB powered. However, they give you an adapter for your wall outlet, so you would plug it in like this. But what is nice about it being USB powered, if you're camping or you're on a trip, you guys can use something like this, which is a solar power bank. And you could go ahead and plug it into your solar power bank. And now we're ready to go. So this is going to sense water. Once it senses water, it's going to turn on and automatically start pumping. I do highly recommend you clean this out because it could be dirty inside. To access the filter bay, you're going to pop this off and it's just going to be inside there. So you just pull that one out and swap it out once it, after a certain time period passes. Then you just pop that right back in. Let's put some water in here and demonstrate. There is a little window on the side here showing you guys, how much water is left. So we're just going to pop this right in here. We're going to go ahead and turn this on. We might not have enough water. So you do have to have a certain amount of water for it to operate. So probably at the bottom of that window. Yeah, so the sensor right here didn't get wet. So we're going to go ahead and add some more water. Okay. So now it's coming up, and as you can see here, now the water is coming right into the bowl on the top. Once it overfills, it's just going to circulate back down through and just keep circulating. Keeps the water fresh. And overall, is a very nice water bowl. So your pet always has fresh water. If it stops working, that's because it runs too low of water. So when it's too low of water, it won't be running. So make sure you always have enough water in.